Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to connect a Honda Pilot to a garage door. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the remote and key. Locate the home link buttons on the mirror or overhead console and clear any old codes by holding the two outer buttons until the indicator blinks. Keep the remote within 3 inches and be ready to press buttons when prompted by the vehicle. Program the home link by choosing which button you want to assign and follow a steady process. Hold the chosen button until you see a slow blink indicating it is ready. Then, press and release your garage remote while still holding the home link button until the light blinks faster. Release everything and press the home link button to confirm the door opens and closes reliably. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it as hands-off as your newly programmed garage door, and it navigates smartly around obstacles. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like that tip now, let's get back to the video. To finish syncing, go to the garage and find the Learn button on the opener motor. Press it once to enter programming mode and then return to the vehicle. Within 30 seconds, press the new home link button twice to finalize the connection. You should see the opener respond. If not, repeat the twice press step. Always test a full cycle for reliable operation before driving away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.